president. I'm a Jamaican born and raised, citizen of St. Lucia by marriage. I'm 42 years old, asylum seeker, and I'm in London. I'm seeking some assistance because I don't know how to do it and where to go, who to turn to. I'm a nursing assistant. I come here seeking asylum since 2021.
Yeah, man, welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV, man. And you don't know anything I go on, no matter if I yard or abroad, we're going to keep on update and make you know what I go on. You see me? And yeah, man, the lady, she was there on the witness program, you see it. And she said a little incident going on in 2016, and you don't know she have to take care of herself for England, and the thing get rough on her, you see it. And she needs some assistance. You don't know. We're going to hear what she has to say. You see it, and a little video there with Queenie said speed, and don't know Pretty Dan and Spice said speed. So just go and chill and keep back, you see me? Yeah, man, I just go and remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV, you see me? And we're going to hear what the lady has say, you see me? It's a sad thing, no? You don't know. You have to take care of yourself and your country in our next country, and things not right, you don't know? You're going to need some assistance, and that she asks right now, you see me? Someone want to share out that video.
Why do you like the trunk a lot?
Join the year, join the fox here.
One queen in that. Weird.
What?
Yeah. Me never know that.
Do you look every time video? I look every stuff.
I never like it video ever.
She can.
In that video.
Yeah.
I'm LiQWYD president. I'm a Jamaican born and raised, citizen of St. Lucia by marriage. I'm 42 years old, asylum seeker, and I'm in London. I'm seeking some assistance because I don't know how to do it and where to go, who to turn to. I'm a nursing assistant. I come here seeking asylum since 2021, and it's been very rough. It's not something that, I mean, you know, like, I don't know, but my case is very delicate, where I public the government of my country in Jamaica due to corruption. For most of who know me, I was the one that was on the news in 2016 with my daughter, when I was on the witness protection program, and police was giving out information about me, and we were taken to tribunal where my case was looked into, and they sent me away. I wouldn't say where they sent me away to, but I'm in UK and I'm living like a dog. As you can see, I'm on the street. You know, I'm a nursing assistant. I have a happy family, I have my children, and here I am, can't go home. I asked the Home Office to let me go home because, I mean, like, I even end up in the hospital and I don't know how I end up in the hospital. The doctor said I come in unconscious. They take me from the migrant help office in Croydon, Tarrant Heath, because I was having a chill. The rain was falling, I was cold, I was soaking wet, and it triggers a seizure. So I'm here, and the winter is coming. I signed up back with the volunteer return to go home because this is not my lifestyle. I didn't know seeking asylum for protection would be like this. When people tell you, if you want protection, serious protection, this is a country, it's a woman country, will protect you as long as they have proven evidence that you need protection, which Home Office already have, right? Because I was all over the news. But I'm saying that I'm here, and as you can see where I'm sitting up, I just want to go home. I want to go home. I don't know if there's any other option because the tribunal want me to appeal. Home Office refused my benefits. They refused my asylum. I have a St. Lucian book, so I don't need visa to come here. I have two books. I have a Jamaican book and a St. Lucian book for all over the Eastern Caribbean, so I'm not illegal, right? But I don't know if there's any lawyer out there. But as I said, tribunal want me to appeal and fight it because they know my case. But I'm not getting any lawyer, I'm not getting any help, I'm not getting any assistance. So I don't know where to turn to.
So if there's anyone listening to this,
so if there's anyone out there listening to this, anyone out there who can help me, you know, I have a number that I get this phone from the charity. So you can contact me at +44 07 508 75 6688. So that's +44 07 508 75 6688. But anyone, it don't have to be money, it don't have to be, but anybody at all who can get me home. You know, I want to go back to St. Lucia because the Home Office don't want me to go back to Jamaica. Be true to my case, you know, but I just want to go home because I can't stay here on the street. You know, it's been days I have to go into like McDonald's and KFC and places like train station to use the bathroom to clean up myself. You know, I'm a vulnerable person, so it's kind of risky for me to go back to Jamaica. I'm a citizen of St. Lucia, so I don't mind. But being in UK here, I can't be here and be on the street. I don't mind being here for protection, but I can't be here and being on the street because it's very risky. You have a lot of persons, they come, they took away things from you. Sometimes they take away your shoes. Sometimes they take away your bag. Yes, I'm a female. We don't have bathroom areas to use. You know, like this morning I wake up and my month was on me, and it was the other lady that was sleeping next to me. She showed me, and I have to wait until, you know, like places open for me to go and clean myself up. And this is not me. You know, this is not me. I went to Home Office twice. The camera there at Home Office can prove everything that I'm saying. All the train station from King Cross to Liverpool Street to Elephant and Castle, East Street to Camberwell Green, all the McDonald's where I sit up for 24 hours, right? All of them that I have to use public area to clean up myself. There's camera, there's evidence there, you understand? There's a lot of, you know, mistreat, a lot of verbally abuse, you know, that I have to go through. And I tell Home Office I want to go home. I've been saying this, that if I'm going to live like this, it doesn't make sense. You know, because it was not because I'm homeless from where I'm coming from, or because I'm hungry from where I'm coming from, why I come to UK. I come for protection. Now, I've been here 1 year, lost everything back home, you know. So I don't know. I don't know where to go, where to start, because I'm not from here. I don't have family here, so I don't know anyone here. I don't know where to go. I don't know who to go to. Most of the charities will tell you. You understand? I used to go to Victoria at the walk-in shelter where I eat food and so on like that, but
yeah, I need to put over.
I mean, I'm not getting any assistance. Most of the hostel that they put me in, the 2 hostels that they put me in, I was sexually harassed, and when I intervened the police in it, they couldn't lock me up or anything.
To half-man people?
Yeah, hey, Spice, you don't know, so what do you know? You get me in a problem, and I say, you don't know, so me have one little character in your ling-ling. I'm here wind up myself on one of your songs. I got this thing round the back here, and the little girl wind up your body and I go on, you know. You don't know, say, cargo. I go and look, me brawling, all the star. Post me and I tell lie, but me Spicy. Say, oh, me, say me accommodate. Cargo in my crutches, he go tap in a Fimi system. Cargo go tap in a my system. Don't never tell you that. Me tell you, say, look how me are just like man, and still a bust off them boy, head boy. That me tell you, say, sorry I mix up. Don't call me back. Do you call back me? Sorry that. Me say God. Viralistic boy, Spicy. Spicy, Mr. God Almighty. No, I don't know what. More than my sister, me up on front page a star. I say, oh, me accommodate, man. Jesus Christ.
I'm really asking to me put it down. I'm not your tell. What me give that?
God Almighty, no, me say somebody just tell me when me come on the ground, me ball. Me ball.
Yeah, what? I want different something. At least you taste a little bit of little salt and a little flavor, then with them sprinkle for me more water. I remember them around to sprinkle little salt for me, you know.
As them sprinkle, me can dash water for your